going to stop.
All right, so I was invited to play at a lesbian party. Yes. And nice. I usually get that reaction from at least one person. And they said, Barbara, will you play some of your lesbian-friendly songs? I was like, I don't know what that means. I thought all my songs were lesbian-friendly because I'm lesbian-friendly. And they said, no, Barbara, just play your songs because we really like your songs. And I said, look, I'll just write a song about vaginas just in case.
Yes.
And I did. And the first verse is about Jeff Plankenhorn in a conversation we had once, actually.
Awesome.
And not his vagina, by the way, which I haven't seen.
I have not seen it.
You've seen it, yes, sir.
I'm sorry, I have a question.
Yes, question.
Is there any yodeling in this song?
Probably.
Okay, just wanted to check. I want to be ready. I'm a little sensitive.
There are some random stops, so just, shut
like
up
random
and stuff.
So yodeling?
It's like being on the road.
It's in
random
that.
stops and a little bit of yodeling.
It's in G, the people's key. My friend Jeff writes songs about good women and laughs at my own running theme. Seems most of my songs are about shitty men, and maybe I should consider changing teams. I got no love lost for men, at least none I have known, but I don't know what to do with your vagina. I barely know what to do with my own. My friend Jen is gay as the day is long. She said she could rock my world. She wants just one night to prove my straightness wrong. She says the man of my dreams is a girl. I got no love lost for men, at least none I have known biblically, but I don't know what to do with your vagina. I barely know what to do with my own. E minor. She says we can work it out. D, E minor. Without me needing to go south. But I don't live that selfishly. No, I'm a firm believer in reciprocity. No, wait, that's not how it goes. This is the worst jam-along song ever in the whole wide world. I got no love lost for men, at least none I have known biblically, but I don't know what to do with your vagina. I barely know what to do with my own.
Good night, everybody. Thank you, Vera Bank Lab Siren.
Oh, tick, 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 tick. Hello. Yeah. Oh my God, a penis. It's a short penis song.